teen mental health and substance abuse. That's the topic of a forum at Rochester's School of the Arts this weekend. The event comes just weeks after a student took her own life by walking off the roof of the school. News 10 NBC investigative reporter Jennifer Lukey spoke with the team hosting the forum about what parents and, most importantly, students can expect.
It has been a tough few weeks for students here at SOTA who are still dealing with the devastating loss of their classmate. The event this weekend is intended to open up a conversation among them about substance abuse, mental health issues, so they can talk with each other and families and hopefully be connected to services that may help.
We need people that are talking less and listening more. So the goal is to have the youth to talk more and have us adults listen more.
Shamir Ellis and Dejan Jackson will lead some of those discussions. They are RCSD seniors and fellows in the City of Rochester's My Brother's Keeper program, which focuses on building safe and supportive communities for teens of color.
If you don't have the right structure and the right support, it's really easy to fall through the cracks. It's really easy to, just give up.
Even as strong leaders, they faced challenges with their own mental health. The pandemic triggered issues for Shamir.
So for me, it's like COVID kind of like plunged me into like this, it's like depressive state. I wasn't caring about work and stuff like that.
And Dejan deals with anxiety.
Me sitting across from you right now, it speaks volumes to myself and like what I've gone through. But I think it's just you got to find like-minded people around you.
And not be afraid to talk about what you're feeling, whether it's with those like-minded friends or an open-minded adult.
I realized that we project more than we reflect. We project our experiences and we knew how we got through them, so we expect them to do the same thing, not realizing that there's a lot of variables that intersect and also make it difficult.
Including the makeup of a family.
Even if you have a 17-year-old in the house, that 17-year-old is automatically impacting their 12-year-old sibling, who also is responsible for playing with their 8-year-old sibling. So guess what? We're all part of the conversation.
A conversation about how mental health can impact even physical health. For example, the startling rise in vaping among teenagers.
The reason I do bring up the smoking thing, I think, is a lot of people do feel helpless. A lot of people resort to that because they feel so helpless.
They also plan to address social media.
It kind of spirals you in thinking that you're not enough, thinking that what you're doing isn't sustainable, it isn't helping you get to a point that you want to be in life.
In addition to the discussion, there will be resources for teens, for parents, and for anyone who needs them.
The organizers say a number of SOTA families have already signed up for the event this weekend. There is still plenty of space. They're hoping for a big crowd. At School of the Arts tonight, Jennifer Lukey, News 10 NBC.
The forum is this weekend at Rochester School of the Arts. It starts at 11 a.m. and all are welcome. We have the link where you can sign up at WHEC.com.